Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And I'm joined by my lovely husband, Rick. Hi.
How's it going?
Just peachy.
So, you got your booster yesterday.
Yep.
Not feeling so great?
Nope.
As I tell you, that this last week, it just took me right out. I just was not well all week. Yesterday was my first day feeling kind of moderately back to normal. I mean,
Yeah.
I was feeling a little bit more energized and whatever, but, you know, you're going to have some fun for the next few days.
I predict tomorrow I'll be all better.
Yeah, you actually do quite well that way. You actually sort of bounce quickly off the bottom and back up when away you go.
Because I do the healthy, nutritious things that one is supposed to do.
I usually,
Have pizza.
Have pizza, there you go.
Crap
right?
dinner.
Right. Yeah, you don't eat that stuff. All right, so we got a little different one here for you guys and gals today.
Yes.
What have you made for us?
Well, I have made a salted caramel chocolate mocha cookie.
Cookie?
Cookie.
Cookie?
And I experimented with doing an espresso. Oh, no. Just doing a super fine grind in half the batch. And in the other half, I used instant coffee. So we're doing a taste test here.
To see which one's which?
To see if can figure out which is which.
Okay. So one side is one side's the other. Is that the idea?
No. This side is one, and these two are the other.
Oh, okay. All right.
I just did the chocolate chips as a cute little...
They look so tasty, actually.
Yeah, and I made an Americano for dipping.
Okay, fair enough. Shall I engage?
Engage.
I'll start with the plain first.
There you go. So I use those Kraft caramels.
Mm-hmm.
Those little square ones.
I used to love those as a kid, individually wrapped.
Yeah.
I used to love those as a kid.
So I took unwrapped them, and I had to warm them up with my hands a bit. Or I guess you could nuke it for a few seconds and then just make like a little patty out of it. And I just wrapped the cookie dough around it. And then I sprinkled Himalayan salt. See, there's the caramel. Look.
Oh, wow.
See?
I didn't get that part yet. I didn't know you had it inside.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I had to differentiate between the cookies.
I got the outside part first, so I didn't get the internal. Is it going to like burn my mouth off?
Yeah.
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 Anytime you see caramel that's liquidy like that, it's like
Be careful.
It's gonna peel the top 3 layers of flesh.
So just try the cocoa, just the plain. Can you taste the coffee in there?
It's gonna be all on my teeth.
Yeah. It's good.
Wow, that's really good. I need a drink of water though. That's really good.
And it's awesome dipped in there. Okie dokie. Here.
Wait, we gotta try this one.
It's the same.
Oh, okay.
You weren't listening.
What?
Here.
Where? I can't hear diagonally.
Here.
Is another experimental type. Here, I'll break it and oh yeah. Here you go.
Right.
I did nuke these
Just to get them
for about 15 seconds.
minutes.
Would have done longer if I knew you would.
The surface of the sun is nothing as hot as this.
I want you to just try the cookie part. Forget the caramel. Tell me if it tastes different from the other cookies.
I'm gonna say this is the instant. Really?
This is the ground. To
Really?
me, it has a richer coffee flavor to it.
Definitely
Try
tastes
that one
different.
again. So I did ultra fine ground coffee.
You know what? They're both really good. I can't slight the instant coffee on this one.
I found the instant coffee one, I added 2 heaping tablespoons to half the batch. And then I did 2 level tablespoons
So good.
with the ground.
Either or. Either or. I can't say that one is bad and this one's good. Either or are fantastic.
I think my preference is for the ground coffee. Just
Okay.
because it has more of a punch. I didn't nuke those ones.
Well, apparently. Holy cow. Have a brick. There we go.
And I used Himalayan salt. Some of the recipes call for really coarse or flake salt or whatever.
Yeah.
I just find the Himalayan salt, it's not so coarse. Well, you can get coarse,
Well, you can
but
meditate with it.
shine a light through it.
There you go. It's really good.
I just like the Himalayan salt. It just almost...
Wow. Have you got the recipe done?
Sure.
We're gonna put the recipe on the description here for you. Really good. I like it.
Yeah. So you can make it, if you want it crunchier, crispier, add more white sugar versus the brown. Cook it
Keep talking.
Cook it a little bit longer if you want a crunchier cookie, like a dipping cookie. Whoa, it's falling apart. Oh no.
All right, folks. Well, thank you very much for watching today. Listen, good job. Great job. I like it. Really tasty. The contrast between the sweetness and the salt, dynamite, really good combination. I would say if you don't have the espresso or the ability to make the espresso, then just do the instant. Both are really good. Like you're not going to be finding any complaints on these. They're good. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that reminder bell, but please leave a comment for us. Hit that like button. It really helps us to get the content out to other viewers. And don't forget to visit our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca if you're in Canada, or groundsfordivorcecoffee.store for US and international. And I'm gonna go have some more cookie, and we'll see you next week.
Yay. Ciao for now. You like them?
Mm-hmm.